Maayong adlaw, good day sa inyong atanan. As part of my annual vacation in the Philippines last December 2023 to January 2024, today we will be visiting the Molo District in the City of Love, Iloilo. By the way, this is Architect Rix Espreño, Tubong Ilonggo, a practicing architect in Doha, State of Qatar, and I am the content creator of Kuya Rix TV. Welcome to Architecture, Heritage, and Legacy. About 1 kilometer from our home near Mega World is one of the 7th district in Iloilo City, which is the Molo District, kung saan matatagpuan natin ang isang malaking simbahan ng Molo. Madalas din tinatawag ito na Athens of the Philippines. Ang sabi ay due to its intellectual and cultural prominence. Pero sa akin ay dahil sa mga Greek goddess statue na makikita sa plaza ng Molo. Ang salitang Molo ay galing sa salitang Moro dahil madalas nilulusob ang bayan na ito ng mga Moro pirates. At dahil naman sa population ng lugar na ito na maraming Chinese, ang salitang Moro ay naging Molo. Una sa mga ideal sites dito sa Molo ay ang Molo Church. It is the notable Spanish colonial church and heritage sites in the district. It stands in front of the Molo Plaza with the prominent red spires that crowns its tall bell towers. Ang magandang simbahan ng Molo ay dating dinalaw ni dating Dr. Jose Rizal noong 1896 dahil sa gandang taglay ng simbahan. Ito ay tinatawag niyang La Iglesia Bonita or the Beautiful Church. Ang Molo Church o tinatawag na Parokya de Santa Ana or St. Anne's Parish Church ay isang feminist church dahil sa mga imahin dito ay 16 na puro female saints. It has been declared by the National Historical Institute as the National Landmark in 1992. Architecture in the Philippines was heavily influenced by the Spanish colonial architecture. Kung tingnan natin, ang architecture ng simbahan ng Molo, ang kanyang belfry at ang upper facade ay may karakter ng mga spires and pinnacles. Plus, meron pang windows na pointed arcs, which means na pasok ang pictures sa Gothic architecture. Ang lower part naman ng facade niya ay makikita natin ang semicircular arch windows with stained glass kung saan ang mga ganitong features ay part ng Romanesque and Renaissance architecture. Overall, masasabi natin na ang architectural design niya ay combination ng Neo-Gothic Renaissance architecture. Ang materials na ginamit sa pag-construct ng mga walls nito ay coral at limestone na ginagamitan ng egg whites and sand mix na ginagamit bilang mortars. So, imagine nyo kung gaano karaming itlog ang ginamit para sa pagpatayo ng simbahan na to. Ang floor plan ng simbahan is basically in the form of cruciform or in a Latin cross na may dome sa gitna. Sa pagpasok mo sa simbahan ay makikita mo kagad ang 16 na female saints, kaya ito tinatawag na feminist church. Sa loob naman ng simbahan ay makikita ay ang 2 well-preserved na pulpit. Sa ilalim naman ng dome sa pendentives niya ay ang painted image ng 4 na gospel writers ng New Testament ng Holy Bible na sina Saint Mark, Saint Matthew, Saint Luke, and Saint John. Sa ibabaw naman ng altar ay makikita ang painting ng pag-descend ng Holy Spirit sa Apostolic College. Ang simbahan ay may isang high altar na may mga reredos at may 4 na wooden side altars. Sa labas o sa gilid ng simbahan ay makikita din ang lumang struktura ng Convento de Molo at meron din silang maliit na adoration chapel. Molo Plaza is considered to be the most beautiful public plaza in Iloilo City. The plaza features the statues of goddesses and the monument of Maria Clara, a fountain, and a bandstand. Ang Fiesta ng Molo ay siniselebrar tuwing July 26, which is the annual celebration of the Feast of Saint Anne, the patron saint of the district. Located across the street from the Molo Church is the Molo Mansion. Molo Mansion is originally known as the Lacson Yusai Mansion. It is a heritage house and a popular place to visit in Molo District. It was built in 1926 and it has a combination of Art Deco and neoclassical style of architecture. The property was sold to SM Group in 2014. Inside the mansion, you can find a wide varieties of souvenir shop that sells local products and delicacies, namely Cultura, Sabor Ilonggo, and Plantopia, and as well as several coffee shops. So, that's all folks. I hope you like our today's picture of the district of Molo, Iloilo City. Once again, this is Kuya Rix TV saying, Iloilo ang banwa ko, my place, my home. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and see you next time. Ay, yeah!
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting